Hi Marcello, good to see you again here at LogiMAT.
Thank you, Stephane. Good to see you as well. I think what we have here is a bit of our history. Don't you think so?
Yes, it's interesting. Can you maybe start from the very beginning?
Sure.
How could we, as a Belgium startup, cooperate with a big, huge Japanese corporate?
The impossible became possible at the end, you see?
Yes.
So we start with this product because the Licana 5 was kind of the foundation of everything. Thanks to your DI, we were able to successfully launch this product into the market. You know, our biggest customer is DHL, which has benefited from this product family, and they have more than 1 million of this product in the market. And of course, I think that this is a huge achievement for us. Yeah?
Yes, we can be really proud of this cooperation indeed. So this was really the beginning of our love story, how this partnership started, but it went beyond. So they started with this product for indoor localization mainly, and now it gives birth to another product, which is this one. Maybe you can give you a few words about it.
Indeed, I think this was one of the biggest achievements we had for last year, for the last fiscal year, to launch such a product together. Of course, we were very successful with the first product, and with this one, I think in the realm of 6 months, I think we launched more than 60K in the market already. So I think together we did really achieve a really good market segment, and again together we are launching a new product which is going in the market with a GPS. I think on the indoor Wi-Fi we were very strong, on the MDOT GPS you were really strong.
So these were more our expertise.
Exactly, and now we are combining.
And this was our best seller. We had already 300,000 of this product family in the field. And now combining with your
We are combining a huge portfolio, which I think is just due to great success in the next couple of years for sure in the market.
And it's very great to see that your capacity, production capacity are really rising a lot. We were just discussing before, you are now considering opening new shifts or new lines.
Yes, so we cannot keep up with the demand which we have at the moment for this product. We have a second line being prepared, as well as a third shift for both lines being prepared, so that we can successfully fulfill the demand from our customers. And I think the future ahead is only going to be brighter and brighter, because I think to target new segments, we are going to launch soon this product, which is a variant from this product. It is a plugged-in product where we use it as an anchor, and we will use it together with BLEs. So we will tackle new markets which up to now we were not able to tackle directly. So I think it's another big enabler to take more and more market share.
So we see more and more these conversions of technologies of Bluetooth, NB-IoT, GPS, Bluetooth, indoor, outdoor, everything combining, also with this swarm concept to have more intelligent assets providing data for smaller sensors or smaller tags. This is the future, you see?
Indeed, I think we are going in this field, in this direction, where all the technology which we can provide will be more and more prominent for the customers, and they will of course enjoy what we have built up to now, but of course we will complement it with external sensors, with BLE, with tags, and this will complete our offerings. In the end, we will have a very wide portfolio, being able then to offer to our customers cutting edge products which solve their problems, because at the end our customers is really where we focus.
Okay, great. So hopefully looking forward to seeing you again next week with hopefully another baby in the family.
Hopefully, yeah. Let's see.
Another success story to explain to you.
Of course.
Thank you.